Welcome to Valuat Softtech and Systems Private Limited. Today we are going to see the details of our newly developed accounting gateway software, data at your fingertips. So what is Accounting Gateway? Accounting Gateway is a stepped up cloud-based solution for accounting firms. It expedites the accounting process of SMBs through automated bookkeeping, yielding accurate data that can be consumed by accounting software, thus reducing time to trial balance to a fraction. So let's look at the advantages for the accountants. Scale your business. You can handle 10 times more clients than present. Personalized and white labeled mobile app. Get your brand on the mobile app. Automated bookkeeping. Bring in the transparency, speed, and reliability in bookkeeping. Set up the diversified business. Configure the chart of accounts to customize it for each client. No spreadsheets. Mapped, categorized, and accurately reported transactions. Transaction management. Tracking the transactions, reroute them, manage communication with the client. Administer accountants. Look into your staff's workload, route transactions, and control their access. Monitor productivity. View each accountant's activity and assess the productivity. Role-based access. Restricted access as per the role defined. Reliable. Bring the continuity and stability in bookkeeping process irrespective of the changes in accounting personnel. Export to Excel. Export transactions to Excel for reporting purposes. Help desk. Professional support with AMC and contractual agreements. Customizable. We can customize our application as per the requirement for one more focused user experience. SaaS-based solution. Low cost of operation with shared resources having restricted access. Now let's look at the advantages for SMBs. E-bookkeeping, quick and easy. Post transactions in 2 easy steps. Say goodbye to spreadsheets. Monitor transaction activity instantly. Get instant alerts when transactions are validated. Your finances in your pocket. Get clear, consolidated, and accurate listing of your expenses and revenue on the Accounting Gateway mobile app. Complete transparency. What one sees as per the transactions is what is seen by the accountant, and hence there is no ambiguity at either ends. Have transaction dialogues. Log all the correspondence related to transaction. Auto-triggered notifications. Receive transaction-specific alerts on validation. Multiple file formats. Application supports multiple file formats for the attachment. Now let's look at the map of the Accounting Gateway software. As you can see, there is one platform admin which does onboarding and offboarding of the CA firms. This onboarding is done on the basis of subscription of the transactions. And he also allocates the space for the CA firm. This admin also does analytics and backup and support for the CA firms. As Accounting Gateway is a platform, it can add multiple CA firms onto the platform. In this case, let's see, admin has added Khare & Sons as a CA firm and its head accountant. This head accountant firstly creates his team of accountants. Then they add client companies for the CA firm. Once they add the client companies, in this case, Forward Inc. is the client company of Khare & Sons. Once they add the Forward Inc., email goes to the Forward Inc. explaining how to log in into the system, how to sign up onto the system. Once they sign up onto the system, head accountant authorizes them for the system. Once they are authorized, they can start uploading the transactions to the CA firm. Here in Accounting Gateway, we are tracking invoices, receipts, payments, inputs, and reports as transactions. So once they upload the transactions regular basis or bulk upload the data, this CA from Khare & Sons validates those transactions. Once they are done validating the transactions, they can keep them ready to be consumed by accounting software. Thank you.